Hello and welcome to Your Favourite Teacher. Today's video will be exploring conflict in Romeo and Juliet. Conflict is one of the overarching themes in the play. Without it, there wouldn't be much to Romeo and Juliet's relationship, and it certainly wouldn't have become one of Shakespeare's best-known stories. Shakespeare cleverly centres the play's conflict around family honour. The characters in the play are full of pride, and it is this that leads to a lot of deaths. Both the Capulets and the Montagues find it hard to ignore silly insults. The first scene is a prime example. "Do you bite your thumb at us, sir?" Abram cannot ignore when Samson bites his thumb at him. Shakespeare does this deliberately to show how easy it is for some of the characters to get wound up. It foreshadows a lot of the violence that occurs throughout the play, seemingly for rather silly reasons. One thing is clear, it's very difficult for anyone to escape the feud. As we know, Romeo and Juliet are forced to do extreme things to escape the family feud. This could be why they both committed suicide. They couldn't face their families and couldn't bear the thought of living without one another. As the play goes on, the violence gets worse, starting with the death of Mercutio, killed by Tybalt, the first to die. As soon as he's killed, the play gets much darker. Mercutio exclaims, "A plague o' both your houses," which hints to the audience that more violence and destruction is on its way. From this point on, the killings only get worse, ending with the worst possible, the double suicide of two teenagers. Romeo and Juliet's love amidst the fighting gives the audience hope. Friar Lawrence marries them because he thinks it will turn their household's rancour to pure love. As an audience, we're rooting for them to be able to conquer the feud and show that love is more powerful than hate. Although the pair die at the end, their deaths do help their families realise the stupidity of their actions. Perhaps this shows that familial love is the strongest of all. That's it for now, but stay with us for more videos on Romeo and Juliet. I'm Miss Meeks, thanks for watching.